Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the settings. You can do that by pressing on the settings icon on the bottom left, and then we're gonna go to date and time. And here in the date and time section, under format settings, you have 24-hour format. So you can enable and disable this option. So here, as you can see on the top left, my time changes from being PM AM to just the 24-hour format. And once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out of the menu and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.